向左转，然后倒车进入3号转台。
收到，3号转台。
Keep them moving to pen 3. Yep. Watch the spacing on this next one. Yeah. Got it. Looks good.
The hydration levels look optimal.
Confirmed. The ear tags show steady vitals as well.
The hydration checks are complete for Section 3.
Looks accurate. Good job. The vitals on Sector 4 look stable. We are clear for the next phase.
Good. All safety protocols confirmed on the checklist.
The hindquarters look strong.
Agreed. All data points allied with the breed standard. We are clear for release.
Okay, the tracking info matches the ear tag.
Confirmed against the database. We are clear.
The cardiac rhythm is strong. Check the input on the growth rate.
Growth rate updated. Finalizing the report.
The weight is stable at 1,025 kilograms.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Updating the record now.
Joints look good, gait is steady. I'm logging the hip height now.
Confirmed. Body condition score is excellent.
Scan on the cervical region looks clear.
Confirmed. Logging it now. Protocol 7 complete.
Everything is within the acceptable range according to the protocols.
Yes, I've logged the data points on the tablet. The bull is in excellent health. This entry here seems inconsistent with the physical chart.
Let me check the database. It was updated just an hour ago. It's accurate now.
All procedures signed off?
Reorganization, cross-referenced, and complete.
Good. Approved according to factory standards. This veterinary report confirms the new protocols are effective.
We need to cross-reference that with the latest compliance update.
Easy now, easy. Step right up. Watch his head on the gate. Keep the pressure steady on the hindquarters. Copy that, moving to the tail now. Focus on the flank area, please. All right, that meets the hygiene standard. Good job.
The dewlap is clean. Cross-reference the hoof inspection data.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All protocols met.
Easy now, straight ahead to the drying zone. Clear path on the right. Fans are active.
Scan complete. All parameters nominal. Confirmed. We are ready for the next stage.
The formulation is stable and the color match is exact. Excellent. Excellent. We are cleared for production.
Approval granted on Section 3. The finish is perfect.
We need to refine this curve for the drape. The optimization data suggests increasing the stitch count here. The specifications are approved. Everything meets the premium standard. Go ahead and finalize the report. Confirmed.